Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I am doing a makeup look today. I haven't done a makeup look in so freaking long, and I was a little nervous because again, I haven't done a makeup look in so freaking long. Even like me doing my makeup, I haven't done my makeup, like I haven't played with color in so long. I literally have something like coming down from my eyelash. I think the eyelash is in my eye. So yeah, you guys, I am doing this really pretty pink Valentine's Day look, or it can be like just any kind of day look if you like pink. I love pink. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, that is so freaking close. Okay guys, so I obviously already have this eye done because I don't want this video to be extremely long. But I did go ahead and already start like, I put concealer under my eyebrow to kind of help clean it up. So I usually just use the NARS concealer in this little pot, and I just put that down as a base. Okay, so once that is down, I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with the eyeshadow. So the main palette that I used for this look is the James Charles palette. Literally covers up the whole camera. Just so you guys know, these are the two colors that I'm using with. This is like a really hot pink color, and this is like a more like soft pink. The hot pink one is called Skip in the palette, and then the nice like soft pink is called Pinkity Drinkity. So just so you guys know as reference while I'm filming this video. But so I'm taking this brush and I'm gonna pretty much grab quite a bit of that this shade and just kind of tap off the excess. I'm pretty much just gonna pack it all on the outer V of my lid. And I kind of just do this for a while, just packing it on. And don't worry like if it's messy or anything like that, because you're gonna blend it out. And then you can clean it up with like a makeup wipe or something like that. I kind of start here and then little by little, like barely pressing, I'm gonna take it into my crease. So I didn't use any transition or anything like that color, which sometimes will make it easier for eyeshadows to blend out. You are welcome to do that if you want to use like a really light transition shade. I didn't want to, just because I want the color to be like really pigmented. And I didn't find that much trouble blending anything out. So I'm just gonna pick up a little more. And I'm actually putting it just a little bit higher than my crease, like up here. Then I did go ahead and pick up a brush like this. It's just a really small defined blending brush. This is the Morphe by Jacqueline JH40 brush, but any brush that is just really small, then I take that one and kind of work on this inner corner just because it's a little bit more tricky here. And then I actually did pick up a little bit of this, I don't even know if it's a pink or a peach color. This is from the Kat Von D like mattes and metals palette that she came out with a while ago. It's called Fringe. I honestly want to say it looks more like a peachy color, honestly, but I kind of just grabbed a little bit of this on the same brush where I was blending out that fuchsia color. I have like a little napkin here, and I'm just kind of like wiping that brush down a little bit to kind of clean it up. And I'm actually just taking this and like blending out the very top, like up here, just so there's not like any harsh lines, although honestly there really wasn't to begin with, but I kind of just want to blend it out. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I have like this little makeup palette, whatever you want to call it, and I'm actually using this LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is actually a foundation, but I'm using it to cut my crease because it's completely white, and it's actually the first time I use it, so it was a little bit hard to work with. If you don't have this, just use like a really light concealer. So I'm just putting a little bit here, like literally barely any, and then just grab any kind of flat brush like this, and then you can go ahead and cut your crease. If you don't want to do this part, I want to skip it, I totally understand. It's like super difficult sometimes. I honestly hadn't cut my crease in so long. I haven't really done my makeup in so long, but anyway, so an easy trick is just to like pack on not too much because it'll get kind of messy, but just pack some on like here, like towards the bottom. Don't put too much because I don't know if you can tell, I got it on my eyelashes here, but just be careful with that because I got a whole bunch there. And then what you can do is just look up, and then it'll kind of create that like line, and then you kind of just fill it in. If you feel like you put like too much, you can always just take the excess off with like another brush or something like that. I'll like pat it down here. I do this with concealer too, and I just take off the excess. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this brush. This is the one that I used at the very beginning to kind of put all over my eyelid, and I'm just gonna kind of just blend this out here so it's not like too harsh. Can you tell like how it kind of like just blends it out, and it doesn't look like so like just like a line. And I completely forgot to do it on this side, so you can kind of see it's a little bit harsh on this side, but once you put eyeshadow it doesn't make it so visible, but it is a good idea to do something like this to kind of just help blend that out. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up this Morphe M124, just like a small shader brush, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up that pinkity drinkity shade that I talked about earlier, and I'm just going to go ahead and start packing this all on the outer part of where that white foundation stops and where it meets that hot pink color. Okay, so once you have that down, you can go ahead and grab another flat brush, shader brush. I'm using this MAC 242. I'm going to go ahead and wet it with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color. This is actually, oh, I'm so close to this camera. So I'm actually going to grab one of my Z palettes. I haven't used this in forever, but there is a shade in here that I like to use all the time. This is the shade Nylon from MAC, and it's like a really, really pretty like shimmery shade. I wanted something that was almost like white, but not white. So it's like super, super pigmented and really, really pretty and bright. So that is the color that I have in my inner corner, and that's what I'm going to put here. And then pretty much just pat it down all here. I'm gonna go ahead, and it actually, I mean, it looks pretty blended already. It's not too harsh. I'm gonna actually take a little bit more of this shade and put this down here. Not too much, just a little bit. And then once you have a little bit on there, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back with Pinkity Drinkity. That's actually a really cute name. So again, I'm just gonna pack this color here. Okay, and then you just wanna curl your eyelashes, put some mascara on. So that's pretty much it for the eye portion, you guys. If you want, you can always add some glitter liner. NYX has some really cute ones. I didn't want to personally put some on today. Also like those little really cute gems or whatever that you can put like in your inner corner. I think that would be super cute, and they would obviously really pop out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back. All right, so I'm done with the rest of my makeup. I did want to come back to the eyes and go ahead and do my lower lash line. Hello. I'm gonna go in and pick up the hot pink color Skip, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it like right here and connect it to the low to the top. So just a little bit. It's really hard to do this on freaking camera. And I'm not gonna take it all the way in because I'm gonna take that pink and drink color and kind of blend them together. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up just on a napkin, and I'm gonna take the same one and go ahead and go in with that lighter pink color, and I'm gonna put this one all the way in. Although I don't think it'll show that much, and this is like, this brush is too stiff to use like in my inner corner, so I'm just gonna get another one. Okay, so this is another Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. So I am gonna mix just a little bit of that hot pink color with it, like a little bit. And then you do want to go ahead and get some mascara and then curl your lower lash. I'm gonna go ahead and take that nylon color that I used for my inner corner, and I'm actually gonna put this at the to highlight my brow bone. Okay, I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this Marc Jacobs eyeliner to coat my. So I'm just gonna pop on some lashes and then we'll be finished. Alright guys, that is it for this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really liked making this makeup look, and I actually really like it. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, whether it's with your boo, your husband, your Sancho, your kids, your family, your friends, whoever, your pets. I hope you guys have a really good day, and yeah, if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put my little face right here so you guys can click and subscribe, and yeah, I will go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye.